Hello everyone, the Desmo450 MX, that is the name of the new model, has a 450cc Desmo engine, aluminum frame, and a new design. The motorbike is presented in racing guise with the livery that will be contested this year in the Italian Pro Motocross Championship Prestige Max owned by Ducati Corse R&D MX team managed by Corrado and Marco Maddii. And what the details are like, let's discuss it. The aim of this first racing season is mainly to obtain data and information during the races to contribute to the development of the Desmo450 MX, which will be produced in the second half of 2025. Ducati hasn't revealed many technical details about the bike, which is still not available for public purchase, but there are a few things we can glean from the images. Notably, the suspension comes from Showa, which isn't really a surprise, but rumors about KYB and even Öhlins have been circulating. Galfer, a brand that has a significant presence in the use of Desmo. In the name, of course, refers to Ducati's favorite engine valve system. The Desmodromic, which is used in engines ranging from the Desmo450 MotoGP bike to the Diavel V4 high-performance car, and from the Panigale V4 super sports bike to the Hypermotard 698 mono single-cylinder motorbike. Ducati hasn't said anything about the engine the Desmo450 MX will use, but the name suggests that Desmodromic valve, which essentially allows higher engine revs, will be used on the bike's 450cc engine. Ducati says that the bike will not go into production until the second half of 2025. This is an important point, not only for public anticipation, especially since we likely won't know the exact technical details about the bike until next year, but also for competition, as production rules in us motocross and supercross racing mean that bikes must pass homologation assessment to be eligible to compete. If the Desmo doesn't go into production until the second half of 2025, it won't be able to race in the US until 2026 at the earliest. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.